All right, hi. Today we are going to be simplifying radicals. So specifically square roots. And so we have a couple of steps that we're going to go over. So say you have the square root of 9. Just start very simple. The first step you need to do, like we've been doing this whole unit, is expand. So 9, what multiplies to give us 9? That's 3 and 3. Next, we need to circle pairs. So a pair means there are 2 of them. If there are 2 of them, we can circle them and bring them outside of the square root. So in this case, we had 1 pair. And remember, the square root, you're asking what number times itself gives you 9. And so that is why we bring the 3 outside. Remember, when you write it out, you're bringing it out the square root. So it's only 1 comes out because 3 times itself is what gives you 9. Let's do another one. What about the square root of 20? So the first step is we need to expand 20. And so you need to make sure to expand completely. So what multiplies to 20? So most people think of 5 and 4. So 5 we can't expand anymore, so we'll leave it as 5. 4 though, 4 is 2 times 2. So make sure to expand completely and make sure that what you expand multiplies back to 20. So 5 times 2 is 10 and 10 times 2 is 20. Once we do that, we can circle pairs. So we have a pair of 2's right here. That's it for our pairs. So now we bring our pairs outside of the square root. So the square root of 2 times 2 is just 2. And so that comes out. And everything else stays inside the radical. Let's do one more. Let's say we have the square root of 27. What multiplies to give us 27? Usually the first thing that comes to mind is 9 times 3. Well, 9, that can be expanded again, and that's 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 times 3 is 27. So now we can look for pairs. We have a pair of 3's, which means 1 3 can come out, because the square root of 3 times 3 is just 3. Whatever's left inside stays inside. Okay, let's look at your assignment on simplifying radicals. And we'll follow the steps we just went over. Step 1 is to expand. So the square root of 18, that expands to 3 times 6. 3 cannot expand anymore, but 6, that's 3 times 2. And so 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. Check to make sure you expanded correctly. Step 2 is circle pairs. So we have a pair of 3's. which means the square root of 3 times 3 is 3. And so 3 gets to come outside, and we are left with a 2 inside. All right, I think you get the hang of it, so go ahead and complete your simplifying radicals assignment.